Hello, family and friends. Thank you for tuning in again with Zaya. And today's recipe is tres leches milk cake, which is basically soaking the cake in three different kinds of milk. In a clean bowl, crack open the eggs, separating the yolks from the egg white. Set aside the egg white. Add sugar to the egg yolks. Use a mixer to dissolve the sugar into the egg yolks. Add some vanilla extract and keep mixing until the sugar is fully dissolved and color changes to a lighter shade. To carry on with the cake mix, add in a pinch of salt, add your flour, add some baking powder, add some whole milk and mix everything together until fully mixed. Now over to the egg white. Add in a tablespoon of sugar and use a mixer to whip until it turns fluffy. Then add it into the cake batter by gently folding it in. This will add fluffiness to the cake. use this glass baking dish to bake because it bakes nice and evenly. So I spread some butter before pouring in the cake batter. Tap the pan a little to remove trapped bubbles and bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Use a fork to poke into the cake to see if it's done. To make the syrup, pour in some heavy whipping cream into a bowl. Add in some condensed milk. And add some evaporated milk and mix well. Make holes all over the top of the cake by poking the cake with a fork so that the syrup gets soaked into the cake. Pour the syrup over the top of the cake, starting from the sides of the cake to the center. Allow the cake to soak up all the syrup overnight, or put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Whip some heavy cream to spread over the cake with a taste of vanilla flavor. Use a knife to slice through the cake to suitable pieces for easy serving. find this amazing recipe helpful, please like and leave a comment down below. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.